How to recover Outlook account password. Open up your web browser and type in outlook.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the Outlook homepage. Look for the sign in button and click on it. Outlook will ask you for your email address, phone number, or Skype ID, basically any info you used to sign up. Type in any of these and click next. Now, you need to tell Outlook that you forgot your password. You'll see this option somewhere on the page. Click on it. Outlook wants to make sure it's really you, so they'll send a verification code to your email. If you're okay with that, choose the option to get an email. Solve the annoying puzzles that prove you're not a robot, and you'll move on to the next step. Now comes the fun part, creating a new password. Follow the rules they give you, type in your new password, and confirm it. Congratulations, you've reset your Outlook password. Now you can sign in with your new password and access your account. And there you have it. That's how you can easily reset your Outlook account password. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching and staying with us until the end.